all of us on the Get Money Out list and within the community that wants to get money out of politics to convene to expose. We have first, visibility is the first step. We have to expose the corruptive nature of money in politics. As we get the visibility, we can restore the integrity. As we restore the integrity, we can make better choices and align our interests. This is the first step, visibility. Joining us once again, United Republic President, the Get Money Out General, I like to call him, Nick Penniman. And Nick, the quick and dirty here, you guys have finally, I shouldn't say finally, I'm an impatient man, right? I'm like, listen, why don't we do all these things? You're like, well, because, Dylan, we actually have to build all of it. You can't just say it. You are building it, and it takes time, and it is extraordinary what you guys are doing. Give us a sense of what this sort of tip of the spear is with the Republic Report.
Yeah, I love the fact you call me the general. I look like a professor in this setting, Dylan.
That's okay. It makes people less afraid.
No, exactly. So Republic Report it's a muckraking blog. It's going to be reporting all day long about the way that Washington really works, and that's both about the stuff that's that's illegal that we can hopefully uncover, but also more importantly the stuff that's legal in Washington, which is a real problem with Washington. And the big news about the Republic Report is that one of our key reporters and bloggers is going to be Jack Abramoff, who, as most people know, was the guy who went to and spent 3 years in jail for his involvement in scandals in Washington. So, we've hired essentially the safecracker, the ultimate safecracker, to help us crack the safe.
So first of all, congratulations. That's obviously great, and Jack has a tremendous amount of attention that he can generate by virtue of the attention that was paid both to his demise, to his incarceration and punishment, and to his recent resurrection. How do you reconcile with somebody like Jack Abramoff the credibility of his capacity to define great content for you and sort of being the criminal that knows how the crimes are committed and then as such can guide you to the easy points of the safe cracking, basically what the combination is, with the fact that the guy's got a history of being a criminal. So how do we know we can trust him?
Well, I remember reading this story about 2 years ago about how the CIA was going around and hiring hackers who had broken the law and spent time in jail to work on cybersecurity for the CIA. And it really is the exact same theory here. I mean, this guy knew how to play Washington like no one else. He was an expert at it. So he knows where the bodies are buried. He also knows how to accomplish stuff in this town.
But he's also proven himself completely untrustworthy and capable of criminal behavior.
Yeah, this is, I'm a big believer in redemption, and so, he spent his time in jail. He's done his time, and he's just as genuine about taking down the current system as you or I are. I mean, he's a very serious guy and a good guy, and he wants to help break up the way Washington works.